We'll guide you through how to mark folder in Windows 11. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because marking folders with custom icons makes files easier to organize and identify quickly in Windows 11. To mark a folder in Windows 11, start by turning on your computer and wait until everything loads so the system is ready to use. When the desktop is fully visible, go to your file browser by left-clicking it, which will open the window where all your files and folders are stored. Inside your file browser, make a new folder that you want to mark so you have a clear place to apply the icon change. After the folder appears, give a name to your folder so it is easy to identify before you continue. Once the folder is created and named, select your folder by left-clicking it once so it becomes highlighted. After that, right-click the folder to open the menu that pops up with multiple options. Inside the menu that appears, go and select Show More Options so you can access the full list of older folder settings. When the extended menu appears, go to Properties near the bottom so you can open the detailed settings for that folder. Inside the Properties window, navigate to the Customize button at the top because that is where the icon options are stored. Left-click the Customize button to open that tab and reveal the tools you need. In this tab, you will see a Change Icon button, so left-click the Change Icon button to open the icon selection menu. A small window will appear showing many icons, and you should browse the icon section until you find the checklist icon that you want to use to mark the folder. Take your time scrolling through the list so you do not miss it, because there are many icons shown in a tight layout. After you find the checklist icon, press OK to confirm the selection so the system knows which icon you picked. Now press Apply to apply the change and wait a moment for the system to update the folder look. When the folder icon changes, you can confirm the new mark is displayed clearly. After everything is set, press OK to close the settings menu and return to your file browser.